channel. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: how to start a real estate business. The defined guide 2021. What is real estate? A simple business. A real estate business deals with buying and selling, management, operation, and invest. Land building real estate can also industry natural restored before above the such crops and menace of waters. If you want to make wage and estate, start your owner successful real estate business industry and just trailing real estate career will working. Some easy this is lot contract. He is everywhere needed now plan start and grow successful real estate business. We introduce all external and step help you are started. How to real estate business 30 step the benefit defined guide. Developer and refine your ideas. Write business plan. Here experience business attorney direct and legal business strategy. Set up account and booking. Access your benefit. Get license. Purchase your business insurance. Rate numbers, recurrent story and brand additional building online purchase, create, sell and plan. Join trends and grow your business. Is real estate business profitable? The real estate marketing increase for explains here's relevant estate you should now read real estate marketing 5.34 million exchange and new housing were sold 2020-21-18 according National Access Real Estate. The Access Real Estate License Law official access about 2 million active real estate license in United States. Nearly active members National Access Rotator accounted net type city retailer. It's 54 years old, right in farmhouse advice collection and hours according to NR Rotor and measured income was $41,800 in 2018 an increase service 2017 hours 86 real estate booking in farms operation is USA. The most recent numbers of 2012 and 27 increase according to the National Access Retailer sales has been increased related will 2020 the Golba promotion but loss purchase real estate marketer and 2020 say strong brand real estate sales around countries. Data will available today in January 2021 and will update numbers that time. 2019 to 29 budget increment based a real estate career long term can have smart business can be small business people interested how to start successful real estate business after a skate. How to real estate company is real estate business profitable? How much to cost open real estate business? How much do you real estate business owner market? How successful a real estate business? How to dollars client do I need it? Work estimation. Step 1 developer and refine your ideas. Real estate is can increase comfortable the channels that you are already has a lost to successful and the popular real estate marketplace. If you want to the change successful real estate business, you are confident and any work installation experience with to develop and refine to your business idea. You should depend farmer with any look your real estate business now to strong always we are helping people where real estate critical running real estate business still also infected how to debate useful marketplace topic where physical business education take look and rooted real estate with drawing marketplace tech stock exchange business are how do your natural estate defend you from others real estate business and areas helpful and after asked what is think about answer the following what the scale operate what the reported as business who I am provide service product to what is maximum finger and safely speed real estate business do I need it outside capital how much what is now work life balance in looking what are expansion start real estate business fund and niche your ideas business way strategy real estate business confident and what is right real estate company I give useful long and compression your many business ideas improvement ideas do you want to sell practical groups and strategy population you want confident in special cities buying and selling conduct many be went to areas expert short sales future and retreat your site you have better chance successful your strategy with expect target ideas increase your setup real estate business meet to inspection needed to avoid understation customer grow your reviews and fast track your business grow in this instrument temporary checklist and guide email address get to free resource distrust and any business not just real estate business outranked here are some real estate business niche statement real estate business responsible value home include right business plan a business plan documents the online financial operation and good company where business does needed 100-page long it farts 10-page business plan sell market plans financial plan do market reach it can market physical increase revenues like subscribe share press the bell icon